Namaste everyone. A new article about High Court order. Let's start it. Maintenance cannot be denied on technical grounds. High Court says High Court. Maintenance cannot be denied on technical grounds. From High Court, the Karnataka High Court has ruled that maintenance is a statutory and legal right of a woman and cannot be denied merely on technical grounds. The court emphasized that a wife cannot be deprived of maintenance simply because she did not comply with an order directing her to live with her husband. This judgment the highlights the importance of protecting the rights and dignity of women under the law. The order was ruled by Justice Dr. K. Manmatha Rao while hearing a petition filed by a 40-year-old woman. The woman had challenged the decision of a family court which had granted maintenance only to her children and denied maintenance to her. After examining the case, the High Court modified the lower court's order and provided relief to the petitioner. The court referred to section 125 subsection 4 of the Criminal Procedure Code, which states that a wife is not entitled to maintenance if she is living in adultery, refuses to live with her husband without sufficient reason, or if both husband and wife are living separately by mutual consent. However, the High Court clarified that the law does not say maintenance should automatically be denied merely because the wife did not obey a direction to stay with her husband. The bench observed that if a woman has valid and reasonable grounds for living separately from her husband, she still remains entitled to receive maintenance. Therefore, the court stated that the real issue is whether the wife had justified reasons for not living with her husband and not merely whether she followed the family court's direction. The case arose from an order passed by the family court in July 2024. The family court had directed the husband to pay 8,000 each as maintenance to the couple's two children. At the same time, it had ordered the wife to return and live with her husband. Since the women continued to stay separately, the family court refused to grant her maintenance. Challenging this decision, the women approached the High Court through an appeal. The High Court's judgment is considered important because it reinforces the principle that maintenance laws are meant to ensure financial support and protection for women who may be unable to maintain themselves. The court stressed that technical reasons should not override the purpose of social justice and welfare laws. In conclusion, the judgment of the Karnataka High Court strengthens women's legal rights and clarifies that maintenance cannot be denied solely due to procedural or technical reasons. The ruling reflects a humanitarian and justice oriented interpretation of the law, ensuring that women are not unfairly deprived of their rightful support. Thank you.